ya da ye na ye ho ase na mesere se wa join ye ya me pa chopi aya na wa bomodi a share link na ma ye na anumre so get by your calling gadget because you be open phone lines no you open ya che and they will promise you be open phone lines and say you dey kosi 10 o'clock cry you be open phone lines na o dey don't worry you ni mo atenam because course no so ehun hia. All right, so all is set now, and then we have one issue back up. They can you be push their call forward. Now issue ni na no. Let's begin and with this video. Now we are saying this, say, and the grace will need any format. Be to me, see, won't be to me, boom. I'm telling you. And yes, smooth is a bear too rough. Mechanic better. A better can number rough road, so better did the pa. A better you come in crew, a latch a number rough road. All right, so production. Let's start with this video.
I received a call from a man who identified himself as Foster. He asked if I was the one confirmed that yes, I am. He immediately launched into a barrage of insults and threats. He warned that if I ever mentioned the name of his man of God again, I would be severely dealt with. He went further to dare me, saying that if I tried to challenge him by mentioning his what? His pastor's name in today's edition of the Frontline, I will see what would come over. I will see what he would come over to do to me. He became even more aggressive, shouting and insulting throughout the call. He eventually mentioned the name of his man of God. Afi enkomonumuano try ya say ni bisa ne say na Nyankopon nipa ko na wo say ye ne say no oya hwanya on person obebodi, but eventually he mentioned the name. And folks, the name he mentioned here osiden Eja Bempah idin obo ma me no. Yeah, it's in the audio. Osi Eja Bempah ene ye di ni din edi agro hase. God. Right there, Obodino, then the call abruptly ended and he disappeared. Now let me place this on record. I have personally know of 3 individuals in this country bearing the name Bempah. Ghana for Afimuntiemi. 1 is a politician and 2 are in the ministry of Christ, period. Ghana had a minim se Bempah dino a din bebre, ebi went to the sports, ebi went to all sorts of, but kwekwa minim 3 Bempahs I minim 2 womo the ministry of Christ, womo ye nyamedwuma. Knowing the 2 of the Bempahs who are in the ministry, no, I don't know which of them, who of the 2 Bempahs are all, but the code name be Ebeka didn't say Eja Bempah makes me alarmed. Say, who is this Eja Bempah? Is he talking about Eja Bempah we know as Isaac Owusu Bempah, and now he's referring to the other Bempah that we know because one for first name number. So at this time, it's pretty difficult for me. The most interesting part of this entire drama is this. From the very beginning of our build-up toward next year's expose, not once have we on this platform mentioned any of those names in any context whatsoever, not even in reference, not in relation to their religious activities, no. And we state this on authority and categorical. The American Nazi Chinese, Edina papa be boy say Bempah no ekrampo no. And much as Kwaku, I know 2 Bempahs in the ministry no. I must again state on this platform say not any time you share build up nasiwo if you have my boss I didn't cry with you. Even though Asofu be my bobo Asofu 1, 2, 3 BD. Anyway, let me ask you guys, including that animal, what the heck is your man of God? Make mean to me more man of God. What but damn what yare, including those men of God themselves, will tell me I cannot mention their name. The farthest they can go, wherever they can go to. Now, mommy, open up, mama. You can go to courts. You can go to the Hague, anywhere underground, and I dare you, I'll mention your name. Oh, but damwate, what yare who with him upwards. Me most house of 2 men of God me within pay higher. But then again, fundamentally, me bisau. A deben and a betty, a deben and a bet prohibited say, woman of God no. Kwaku Annan metea me bonidia as a sebe woso. What damn you are silly. And let those men so move and a sponsor. And I'll not hold anything against them because me Kwaku maintain will be annoyed. So I am being careful, sir. Men draw or soft be a D. D or the band, chan will audio num say Bempah. But the point is, say you know no cannot say for sure, and I cannot state on authority. Therefore, it cannot be say ye drag you be near bim say any panasemo. But let it be. I'm moving one step ahead. Let it be and let them dare. Let any man of God tonight. I am stating on authority. Let any man of God from the apex of your fathers to the lowest of the class, let them dare. Now here did see Ghana. Oh, bodam. That's it. If I sit here in my 20-something years in my journalistic career, I've served this nation. I've paid my dues. The politicians are paying their dues. The men of God are paying their dues. I ask you a question. What will become a travesty and miscarriage of justice, to say the least, that we talk about a man of God, and that man of God, silly goddamn ass, or no so on Tiasia, or no best man attacks or mumless studio has said, Womuna Meden, MFIT when I will kill you. May kind of play na tramo, the Ghana police are listening and watching. I will murder you coldly here as an act of provocation and self-defense. Try and see. I can't tramo. Me friend, enye na anu no biomo. Enye na anu na mu bedi mu nkwasi asem e wo studio na ye di chair mu no. Sa software am iken. Oba mi studio. Was my radio days. Ofa ne hu die. E dey asem. Na asem ne zen. Ani o. Pani ye ka asem a. O say e na gen asem bi wo ho. Na se boss wa Ghana be wo so. Wu Kwaku Annan. O wie ya o say. Ya meti hey a wo hwe mi meti me konso enim o se meti ama we twa hwe onwo mo nkwasi akeka na bi nie mo beti me yes with those journalists na dey be mo hwokwa me enye me Kwaku akona meti a abodam me kan wie ya akoy we si dey on the say oh before my eyes na the whole studio equipment na meti wo say na me hwe ni din I was just watching him and Ghanaians mo beti me akọ social media call YouTube Edaho Kwaku Annan versus who the man of God. Oni Kwaku Annan be kun was still Edaho.
All right, so your video for emphasis sake. Emphasis in anything. Just as we ask many people the great Owusu Bempah Nama. We are not those boys. Until we are one no say. As I want you to now Baba describing ya. Aya dignified wanu fino. Na fa describe ye. All right? Wanu posi se keshiri. Aya wo de ka ye ho asem a. Aya hwe nipa wo ka wo ho asem no. Ye the great Owusu Bempah. Obi anim say, yeah, we are for peace. Your agenda and then say the Great Commission the Universal Father Diama, the great Owusu Bempah, eno na yeboa no amwotumi afofele wa execute that divine agenda. Now in so doing, you know, you say riffraffs be bebem about cause unnecessary mayhem. Edim kwasi asem ni nsemfo ni nsehunu nti. Ya ma abapana the great Owusu Bempah dua no bi medua bobo ne mfra. Na enko yese paradox. No. Enti dia to you say, in as much as we are protecting and preserving the prophet and prophetism, no. Any act be from anyone, be an act of gross insubordination, you tolerate it. And we can say, without any equivocation or mental reservation, say, principal living witness, I want to know, I two Becca say, never ever. And at the grace show, you better not say, yeah. Obinka ya yako kano. And inti last week, Friday, you be the grace show because of this video. You train, and we aren't going there. Now you must say, it's me for the hunyansa. Because what jiminti uke jimisam. Because oya kwase nti wo kan kwase asem wo ye nipa hunu nti wo kan ensem hunu anya ba ye na ye be kire wo nyansa so wutina esa gas cylinder no nyansa ewom ayese tiefu mi mwa wuti nyansa ewom ni na wutie liki ama nyansa ni na efrim. So we came and we analyzed and kwasi asem ni jimisam na obeka ye no. So man say inante nipa wa say you are being careful because one thing free asofo mienu obia no with your over 22 years of practicing journalism no nipa wa kire journalism na ehunyansa nkire wunyansa say Wawa admit say nipa no mienu ina meka went in free the horse's own mouth. But yet you went ahead to rain vituperations and vitiations on them who insult one. Kaya bekan people that are defending him. Koribeseti asema esi. Friday near your engagement menko. But in your for the purposes of emphasis. Before Krobia, and you did for Matata. The American said, a beer me real fibia not more diaba. Now, what FM issue are Kofi Annan at the buyer no? Then I call what FM would do for Krobia Kobe. Yes. Do for Matata no, Miss Mikobi.
Spirit Bank in the studios. Apostle Owusu Bempah ama Martin no was say as a semi to me who to me a any dwuma e wo nimu and at the same time to see that God is real. One man two instance. It starts with Nyamesom. It is our instance when the person Owusu Bempah dead. One. Apostle Owusu Bempah say we could make me am we traffic. Two. Make me up the way he can send the idea. What's here? Beat me. I'm sorry, I can't want Never. Revenues. It's nearly person didn't who see what. Emma, do me dear ye. It's here for me be take and be a chassis. Ah, maybe I saw for the brand yourself right from the take. It's nearly person in general. Now, Apostle Owusu Bempah, and that's sign me to me, no. Next video, right now, Obia Ehu. Say, and you trash you, say, you intercession, and this is where we are. I'm sorry, I can't, but who said, we need your way. The reason why I tell me, I smell kind of want to myself. Oh, listen to me. Tear me about, yes. What about me program I said? Open his own mammy program I said. It's possible I've been.
The American fine. The American I'm someone to myself. Me say. A bit more basawa out way. Let me come secret. Yes, please. Hold on. Okay. Me say. Say out way. Make me come secret be. I have be clear about on tell this will be honest.
Great.
Fine. Mami, so I did. And I'm so out way. Let me a Bempah. I'm a watch ya. Now, there are two things. There are deliverances. Our church. Now, my family so frank of every video almost secret and almost problems. And you are Bempah.
Okay, so
hold on.
Because when you
can you allow me to land? Fine.
Empty.
The American, I'm someone Timothy. And now who pays out to me. And I may buy because some say a seat. And now
that would be an example. And I'm so many chills.
Do you understand the word example?
No.
Example means
yes.
We do an example.
Let's be very mindful of this. Who you see me as a yeah, meaning
I'm sure the reason because you sit high.
Exactly.
I came here for a purpose.
I know, but the person
some may ban one can't change on about every simple. One can't change something about the song, put some in one pen and I said, Satan catches Jesus on any stone and you're dead. And every now I just say Satan.
No,
I'm not. I'm not a friend of Dominic Haruna. What we trying to me so sad, meaning Vina. On the because who to me and conform me and good diplomacy. I had so many years. I built no. You want me to let's all say that I conform this one. What are you doing? No one here. That's the reason I came here. And that will program of family Kasai. And I'm so my Dominic number Thursday. That's why I'm here. I am here to meet that Dominic because see me occult. I want to meet maybe a hobby. I want to see that Dominic. Me musa so ni mo he. What's the ability? Me ohania. Me person bi ade pada kwa bebo mani. Some bronze no. Eh di bo ni mo anu na e control so business. Papa, look at me. Mo fan video no ntu so. Se me blishi a e tie phone na. So Kwaku, apostle. Mama, because of some sense way. Me a very good person and my grandma will say something this person. Because one family no problem. Me a small boy. Say me listen to me. Some Dominic over here. Until some this too much station way. I swear to God.
Calm down.
Now say something. No insist questions. Some men come once and officer oh. Some can come so officer. Like you can't answer some phone.
When it is coming, when it is coming, and bad name, just
because that's I'm not a good player. Some cannot see me. I want to see that
Mama says, Emma, than one in your banter.
I want to see it. I want to see that guy. Sana sofo Anthony Wahwai. Manchester City come for ba. Apesa ya na mo sia na mo ya. Ya mo ya na sia sa ma mo ya. Yeah, it's a phone. I want to go here.
Also then for one. This is the nonsense radio station. This is the nonsense radio station. Conspiracy. You know what when other people are making relevant program, when others are making educating program, you just want to make some time to people.
Now, Hot FM. Mamenka se. Ansa na Kofi Annan, Kwaku Annan, obeko no. Onko kobisa. Personalities ne voices are erase that frequency modulation 93.9 na ene yokonya ho adwuma ye no. Aya wo misa. The likes of Adakabre from Paul Manson. The likes of Ejumewura ya Wonkroma. The likes of PJ Muze, Senior Mosamo. The likes of Kofi Aduma Wonwani. Akosi Asafo Akentimpo. The likes of Akosi Asechiwa, now at Angel FM. And myself. Ohinena na Kwame Amo. 93.9 frequency modulation. Yen ye move ye. Ema Accra etin ye ka hu bi. Kwasi asemu a wokọ ya wokodi ye no. Ye sha sesa no sa na ye yanka ewo ho ma obeto we. Oba ye nsenhunu ne kwasi asemu okodi ye nti e ka bi na station na ba fom. Yeah, I'm in kind of control. And I want to restrain myself because Mr. Sanya frame. And now do from penifo be so frame. Antesanka Kwaku Annan come no be no boot for boot. I'm going to say, we did name Chiemu, we are poor. Me na me catch now. What do you want better to me? Crossing it is our. What be ya won me kwame amo. Kokuma say nsan ko ya ntomo ho. Foolish man. Manya what time? Eh? Mami ma record no. Me nko radio station bia me yanyi medio. Me nko media station bia me yanyi medio. Me start me radio with Love 99.3. Say 99.5 e wo Kumase Love FM. Me catch was a bia wonim kwame am na ya na oni di la. Me ya data ye friend say Samson Ladi ayenini. Lawyer Samson Ladi ayenini. Of Joy FM now. Said Ali Yakubu of Blessed Memory was my editor. and Annan Samson deputizing or Love FM. Me wiye I want to attachment me wiye na mkoto aso nkoso radio. Me nkoso radio. I had beside the likes of Portia as a black one or movie. I had beside Portia. I had beside now one of the MPP chairman war constituency be Okumasi on another year editor. Beside Kwaku and Tieni, why you suffer cry one a radio station be any TV be Okumasi beside woman. Or therefore from nkoso radio. Anna Afro Capitala Hot FM and your friends and Fox FM ayane dia o me ebe fam ebe fami asoma me ken opa ko bisa sometime o tue champion ya beto me free enkoso FM and ya me ba crash street me ba Love FM and me ba Hot FM me bisa Kwaku Annan so anwan no san kwase abra ne kwase jimi na wu jimi no I from what journalists no say na me yeah and can you beto me free cause radio di me ba kra say and from what FM despite media came for me I want me way ko bi say baby am here adwuma that's it hwe ananyumre o en ka won ko anka me hande o me Kwaku Annan ka me ko anka me hande o yanka wasem ntu fi se obi nu hu asem bia ka ho wutimi for sa no wo ba be ka me hu asem akeka da o dia ye me pese me di show na ye but I just me pese me man intro we ya Hot FM na wo call ye no bra papa be no ko bo ho a we ntumi antena ho o record nye yi die nko a aye Yako Hot FM. Yako ya. Wuna woso ye experienced journalist no. Wamu obi aba betina uso so. Allow nipa na mano ama line. Someone with a reputable integrity. Odifo wahwe na manakasa. Want to me ankase asem we dey make it an allegation. Woman making a statement of fact say or your occult no need the great Owusu Bempah na one occult group as an experienced journalist as you claim want to me be say evidence when because me to me can say me ko KNUS me ko Pentecost University near be say certificate at so school no ya me to me provide where be say no here and no man cancer because of adwomone ne kwasese mo pese odinti jabone na the great Owusu Bempah ye wafrao okay me bus station ho ba mi be nyina ne sa brantie no me pese me hu no onu nie minie on kira me say so for Owusu Bempah na woka so no e court members na ye mimini na won kira me ye bebi ehia court ben mo ya arrangement ni na ma mo gitu mu say brantie ne say obeba da we papa mra ya ba na brantie ne wo hia afi na oba bebi sa nkwase ase mo bebi sa woni tiri so no papa nu na wonya botre na wo so nkwase asem no so sa wo nkwase agenda na no wa yesa opese otutu nanum de apirdo wo show no na nim se nyanza fo ne ba ho sa da na je me ja pass akwa we yam bu na maka san to ni trim wonya ne fo ete ya friends o se papa ye den ade papa ye ya ne se sa nkwase microphone na wo mo producers di be si nanim se who be send a question oh ya no pofri wo say one ma for question and answers oba say di pano wen na no be say one producers na ne o ko be say Jake na ko be say papier aya no mo say Hot FM as say san kwasa asem we ne de BLO0DY frequency no a ko konya hot na ya abwancho we what we can say be fire say menya what time what akwa we say me minu bi I am telling you and never say ka with mouth abwana ba be ase ni freni now I laptop so now we now can what dictionary man tu nya wa di bianka what thing it say I do for me person me ye you know any aba na say what wasem ni say me say na show na tumi bibia what wasem ni ne dia be ka nyansa nim dia be ka no Friday so for say ma nyansa nim but the ben your friend say your friend Friday no anya bia wo si yanya bedi duatem na dia wo ye no aye bo sisia no na wo ye worship and praises me na wo kan poem e wo speech and press giving day as wo yo time me say ya yamwa public toilet mu once na te say wo public toilet so once na te say wo Kwaku Annan